There was what can be called a bad optics situation that unfolded with Jamaican international Leon Bailey, who was left out of the Reggae Boys team for the upcoming international window, purportedly for injury. But alas, outran Leon Bailey in the starting lineup for Aston Villa on Sunday and played a pretty good game up to 60-odd minutes. And Jamaican football fans were twitching and itching. And just when the Maverick was about to join the angry mob, a report surfaced today, quoting the Aston Villa coach Unai Emery. Speaking after Sunday's game, Emery confirmed that Bailey was still struggling with some niggling injuries and is unable to play for 90 minutes. Emery also said Emery, was happy for the international break so that Leon can get the required rest he needs to fully recover. And obviously, this was what Aston Villa told the Jamaica camp. Thus, Bailey was left out of the Jamaican squad. So all the angry Jamaican fans, you can now join the Maverick and take back the anger. Take back the anger.